Yun na. Ito, this is your start of your final year. So, ano masasabi mo na yun nga? Last year, hindi kayo nanalo ng dito sa home court, pero this time around, nakabawi kayo nanalo pa convincing against the defending champion.
We prepared well. We prepared well, tapos stick to the system na kami na coach Pido. Naniniwala talaga ako sa mga teammates ko rin na kayang-kaya namin kalunin yun. So, I think kina-commend ko lahat ng mga teammates ko and the coaches kasi teamwork talaga yun ang lahat para makuha na ng panalo.
Thank you. And to Collins, he has an impressive debut of 29 points, 17 rebounds, 1 block, 1 steal, and 1 assist, and plus 27. So, you're playing for the first time as a UST player, and in front of home crowd. So, how does it feel to win?
Actually, it's a great feeling, taking advantage of the home crowds. Also, I just have to do what I got to do, man. I'm representing UST. I have to take it up for myself. They're taking care of me, so this is the only way I can pay them back. So just doing the job.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is now open for questions.
Collins, did you see yourself immediately playing this great? Just your first game in the UAE?
Man, actually, coming into the game, man, I just had to clear my head, and I told myself, wherever it is, man, I just got to do it. And again, I just had to clear my head. That's just it. Just play. Whoever comes. If I score, fine. If I doesn't, I just got to help the team in whichever way I can. That's it.
Nick, as UST's co-captain, ano masabi mo na meron na kayong dominant force in the middle na pwede kayong pasakan and then control the rebounds and defense inside?
From what Colin said, he's just doing his role. Even as a rookie, I know na he's been in the UAP for how many years now. And I know he will do well. Actually, roommate ko nga siya dun sa Korea. Lagi kami nagpo-talk about sa futures here in UST. And ayun, ini-instill and gina-guide lang namin ni Coach si Collins and all the teammates.